Yeah, it's early in the morning and we're gonna go show you guys how to finish and feed the chickens and to get their water jug and everything and how to do all that and how to feed them. Austin, you ready to go feed the chickens? All right, let's go. That's a good one right there. Go ahead and pick it. Austin loves to pick daisies and give it to the chickens so when they start playing with them. You want to go see how we do it? All right, come on, let's go. Austin, go ahead and throw it. All right, and they're gonna come running. They're gonna come running. Look at that.
They're slowly.
Yeah, they came slowly. You want to throw another one in there? Oh, he got it. All right, there's another one. And there's one more. See if they find it. Oh, they got it. All right, let's go feed the chickens. Here is chicken feed, crumbles, and we mix it.
Chicken feed and crumbles.
Yeah, and we mix
Can
it.
look it?
Yeah, and we mix it with these oyster shells so the chickens can lay good eggs.
Yeah.
And then we just mix it up so that they think that that's food, and so when they eat it, they lay really good eggs for the next day. The chickens. So we're gonna go ahead and feed the chickens, and this is the little feeder. Let's go ahead and pour it.
Hey, he caught me.
Now all the chickens are gonna come and eat. This is about 16 to 20 chickens that are eating at the moment. We have their water jug where the water just comes out. We like to call it the water feeder. We're gonna go clean it and put some more water in. Water jug and into the chicken house, and this is where it pours down, so we're just going to go put it in the chicken house. Yeah, let's go.
Yeah, let's go.
All right, so we're gonna go ahead and put the water in here, and they'll have water, and when it runs out, it will just pour more again. It really was, everyone. We're so glad that we were able to go feed the chickens and get their water in. Are you happy, Austin?
Yeah.
Yeah, and we're going to hope to get more eggs tomorrow, and we're going to go have some more fun. You ready to go, Austin?
Yeah.
All right, let's go.
So bye.
Bye. Like, subscribe, and watch more of our videos.
Bye.
Bye.